Hey guys, as you can see I'm on the eTapestry login page. In this video I will show you how to enter eTapestry page. But first let me tell you about what eTapestry is. Blackbaud API is an all-in-one cloud-based donor management and fundraising software for small, mid-size, and growing nonprofits. Its core functionality includes a donor database and constituent relationship management system, dashboard and custom reporting, marketing tools for email and direct email, and also data analytic and data quality tools and website integration for online donations and payment processing. And now let's show you how to create a Blackbaud API account. This page is the API account login page. As you see, if you do not have an account, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So let's show how to create an account. After clicking the blue sign in button here, and then you will see this page, and here click the sign up button at the bottom of the page, and then type your email address and password on this page. Remember that your password must be at least 18 characters 12 characters, and your password must have at least 3 of the desired features in this page, as you see. And then confirm your password. After typing your name and surname, click the sign up button to create your account. And now your account is ready to log in. And then turn back to login page is here. You need to type your email address and your password. That is all. Thank you for watching me. Bye.